Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So, the holidays is upon us right now, and it's beginning to look really nice out. This is gift giving season, and today I have this gift idea for you for the special someone in your life. So, it could be actually yourself, it could be your husband, your dad, your brother, your uncle. This is a beard butter. So there's beer bombs out there and there's beer butters. So this one doesn't have like like beeswax or any kind of wax. It's just a butter and it smells great, and I'm sure they would really appreciate it. So I will be adding cedarwood essential oil to this beard butter because it smells really woody, and I'm starting with some mango butter. So mango butter is one of the staples that you find in beard butter, and I went ahead to add shea butter as well, which is a very nourishing butter, as you know. And pumpkin seed butter is one of the main champions in this recipe, and it has high levels of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, is known to promote hair growth, healthy hair growth, and healthy skin. I would also be adding a unique blend of 12 virgin organic carrier oils in the recipe. So it does contain 12 different organic oils. I would also be adding some vitamin E to keep the beard nourished and soft. I'll then be adding the cedarwood essential oil like I had mentioned earlier. So I'm just making a small batch today, so just melting that down like I usually do. And I'll be adding the essential oil after it comes out of the refrigerator. So here it is. I did not allow it to stay too long. I just wanted to get on with the process, which is often not a good idea, but you find out what happened and what you can learn from that experience. So this is one of my candles that I made in one of my previous videos. It's an excellent DIY gift idea that you can try. And I've just brought it out of the refrigerator. So usually what I do after I bring it out of the refrigerator is I allow it to just warm up a little bit. Not really warm up, but then I don't just start whipping it up, because especially if you put it in the freezer, then it would come out really cold, and once you start whipping it, it would then stiffen. So that's something you don't want, but you would see what happened and how I fixed it. So you would also find a playlist of all our butters that we carry. There's one on shea butter, mango butter, and a bunch of butters that we carry. So I go into detail about these butters, how you can work with them, and how you can get the best out of them, how they're processed, their origin, and what you need to know about them in general. I hope you enjoy that playlist. So this is the butter. So what happens is if you whip it when it's just out of the freezer, like in this case, it gets stiff after a while, even though it starts looking soft, but then it gets stiff. So you just have to keep on whipping so that you just warm up the butters a little bit more and loosen up the texture. So that's an important lesson. If you use very stiff butters, which in this case I did not use, I just used medium soft butters. But if you use really dense butters and stiff butters, then you would really have to add more oil and then wait for it to stand outside the refrigerator for a while before you start whipping it up, because it would just get stiff and you'll be wondering, what did I do wrong? But the same reason why you don't just bring out your butter from the refrigerator and start baking, you have to allow it stand at room temperature before you start baking if you want to get the best of the baked goods that you're trying to make. But eventually it just gets softer and just stays soft because it's warmed up and it's now at room temperature. So based on the characteristics of the butter, the melting point of the butter, you should be fine. If you've already balanced your butters and oils, you shouldn't have any problem at all. So that's what happened here. As you can see, it became normalized again, and that's the exact texture that it's supposed to be. So this will make a beautiful beard balm for anybody that you would like to gift it to this holidays. Just add your mango butter, shea butter, pumpkin seed oil, and our blend of 12 virgin organic carrier oils. That's all you need to make this. And of course, grab the cedarwood essential oil, because men just love that woody smell, don't they? So it smells great. Cedarwood essential oil is used a lot for making perfumes for men and a lot of grooming products for men. So it works great in this beard butter, and I think it was just perfect. So I was able to just make a small jar, an 8-ounce size of this butter, and I should definitely learn from Yaya with her technique on piping these butters, because I'm just somebody that likes to slap it on. Even when I bake, I don't pipe any icing. I just slap it on and keep moving. Definitely something I should learn. So it turned out great, and I really like how it ended up looking. The texture, the color, everything about it is just perfect, and I'm sure this will make a wonderful gift for the gentleman that you would like to give it to. If it's yourself or your family member or friend, it would just work great. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.